every morning. The bed greets you in the morning, informs you of the weather, checks how you slept through the night. Embedded speakers with seamless design, plays lively music. From bed to living room to bedroom, OLED comes to anywhere you wish. Eye-friendly, true-to-life images. Life solution for amazing experience in life.
Alexa, call Dad.
Hi, baby.
Happy birthday, baby girl.
Hi, Grandpa. Did you get it? Did you get it?
Believe it, you gonna love it.
Alexa, show me cupcake recipes from Food Network. 1.5 cups of graham crackers. Alexa, show me the front door. Alexa, play Mrs. Maisel on Prime Video.
You're weird ask. Weird what? Something I asked for in your contract. He kept hounding me. When he asked what it is, I was blank. And the room should be filled with tension.
This is Chromecast with Google TV. It's a handy streaming device that plugs right into your TV. It comes with a voice remote, so you can be like, find action movies. And it will show you all the action movies on one screen, no matter which one of your streaming services they're on. So no more, wait, where is that movie? Google TV is great at helping you find exactly what you want to watch, even if you don't know what that is yet. What should I watch? So, yeah, that's Chromecast with Google TV from Google.
Working from home in this pandemic period? Finding a productive place to work can be tough. Introducing the Le Band Electric Standing Desk. With one-touch electric lifting, it rises and lowers to perfectly match your height. The X-Type slide track technology ensures a smooth transition from sitting to standing at the press of a button. And it's wide enough to fit all your work necessities. The Le Band is lightweight and easy to move around, so you can turn anywhere into your new workspace. It's safe, even when there's kids around. Tough enough to handle whatever you throw at it. And its scratch-free design gives you peace of mind around pets. Down, boy! The wireless charging surface lets you recharge while you work, plus a USB port. in case you need to charge multiple devices. Le Band creates the perfect home office with the freedom to sit or stand, and the Le Band memorizes your height settings, so it's ready to go every time you come back. Le Band Electric Standing Desk, the healthy style you need to stay productive.
Introducing Aromio Sense, a smart multisensory device that creates an ideal environment for sleep and relaxation. It's using a synergy of aroma, light, and sound therapy to get rid of stress. It's really easy to get started. All you have to do is push the button and enjoy the experience. Choose from Sleep, Relax, or Focus module. Sleep module helps you to fall asleep naturally and wake up without nasty alarm sounds. Fall asleep easily with dimming sunset light, dreamy aroma, and calming serenades. Wake up shock-free without an alarm clock using glowing sunrise light, uplifting aromas, and the sound of birds. Relax module helps you to easily de-stress and recharge. It guides your inhale and exhale with a breathing light ring, gentle aroma, and serene music. Focus module helps you to beat drowsiness and get into a great mood. Have a stress-free productivity with focus intensifying light, concentration boosting aroma, and sounds of nature. Aromio Sense helps you to create the ideal environment for sleep and relaxation using aroma, light, and sound therapy. Ready to start your journey to a better lifestyle? Get Aromio Sense today.
Wow, they look great.
The 2K Full HD resolution and 130 degrees field of view ensure full details to be captured. Assure B1 is easy to install and use. It can either be powered by rechargeable batteries with up to 12 months or with USB and solar panels. Connect up to 4 wireless cameras to a single base station. The IP65 weather resistance camera can withstand different types of weather. It lets you see clearly at night in full color. The spotlight helps to scare the intruders off. And the built-in smart siren keeps you updated when it detects the motion. The PIR sensor helps recognize human faces to reduce false alarms.
Leave it by the door, please.
With two-way audio, you can talk and accept delivery safely.
Hi, Alexa. Turn on camera 1.
Assure B1 also works with Alexa. Save your high-resolution videos to a memory card or store it in the cloud. Simply add your family to keep an eye on your home together. Assure B1 is ready. Why not come and get one today on Indiegogo? You'll get limited free cloud service.